When you're looking for a VPN, the options can be overwhelming, but choosing the right one can make a huge difference in your online experience. Today, we're comparing TunnelBear VPN and CyberGhost VPN to determine which is the best for first-time VPN users and which is better suited for frequent travelers. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to choose, and I'll even introduce you to a competitor that might be a better fit for both. Let's start with TunnelBear. If you're new to VPNs, TunnelBear is one of the easiest options out there. With its user-friendly interface, you won't be overwhelmed by complex settings. It's perfect for beginners, and the free plan offers 500 megabytes of data per month, good enough for light browsing or testing the service. But there's a catch. If you need more than the free plan, you'll have to upgrade to a paid plan, which isn't as affordable as some other VPNs on the market. The speeds are decent for casual browsing, but don't expect lightning-fast connections, especially for things like HD streaming or large downloads. Next thing, let's look at CyberGhost. It's a step up for people who are still relatively new to VPNs, but want something that offers a bit more flexibility and features. Unlike TunnelBear, CyberGhost has a larger server network with over 7,000 servers in more than 90 countries. This is great for unlocking region-locked content or browsing with a more secure connection. However, CyberGhost is a bit more expensive than TunnelBear, and the interface isn't as simple. It offers more customization options, which can be great for experienced users, but first-timers might feel a bit overwhelmed by the settings. It's also worth noting that some users have reported slower speeds at times, especially on the longer distance servers, though they do have servers optimized for streaming. The fourth thing to consider here is the level of security. TunnelBear is good in this department with strong encryption, but it doesn't have the most advanced features like a kill switch or split tunneling on all plans, which are useful if you're doing more sensitive browsing. On the other hand, CyberGhost offers more security options, like a built-in kill switch and an ad blocking feature. If you're going to be accessing public Wi-Fi networks a lot, CyberGhost gives you that extra layer of protection. When it comes to streaming, TunnelBear isn't the best. While it works well for basic content, if you want to watch content from streaming services like Netflix, you might hit some blocks. CyberGhost, on the other hand, shines here. Their specialized servers are designed for streaming, and they unblock services like Netflix, DBC iPlayer, and Disney Plus in multiple regions, making it a better choice for frequent travelers. Speaking of travel, if you're someone who's always on the move, you'll want a VPN that offers reliable connections, strong security, and a large server network. This is where CyberGhost has the edge. With its massive server network and ability to access geo-restricted content globally, CyberGhost is the VPN of choice for frequent travelers. But here's the kicker. While both of these VPNs have their strengths, after trying them both myself, I found a better alternative for the goal of this video, getting the best VPN for first-time users and frequent travelers. It's worth checking out the service I personally recommend, and you can take advantage of an exclusive free trial by clicking the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial available, along with some additional benefits only available to our viewers. So, if you want a VPN that offers everything you need, ease of use for beginners, top-notch security, streaming capabilities, and a global network for travelers, don't miss out. Make sure to check the link in the description.